And today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, plus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is minus 10, C is minus 20 and D is minus 40. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, what mass and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence. You can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is. Now let's talk about how to solve this expression. So now we have to do, first of all, according to the Bodmas and Bamdas rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. Now, we have to move forward step number 2, which is exponent part or order of operation. So now we do not have any number which has the power, so we have to skip this step as well. Now we have to go for step number 3, which is division and multiplication. So what you have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So if you are using the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, you have to follow same rule. Like we have to follow like division and multiplication and division. So we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 6 multiplied by 20. So this one we will 6 multiplied by 20, which is equals to 120, divided by minus 5. We will write as it is, multiply by this part. Again, we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 6 multiplied by 20 equals to 120. Now, move forward according to the PODMAS and PAMDAS rule. First of all, you have to solve all division and multiplication. So now again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have minus 2 plus 120 divided by minus 5. We will solve this part. So now we have 120 divided by minus 5. So we will write 5 to the 10 and 5 for the 20. But here we have the minus sign, so 24. Now move forward for multiplication, minus 6 divided by minus 8. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 120 divided by minus 5 equals to minus 24. Okay, now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. Now we have this multiplication. So we will write like minus 2. And here we have minus sign. And here we also have the minus sign. So minus minus plus. And we will multiply these two terms, 6 for the 24. And 2 will be carry. So 6 to the 12 and 40. 1, 4. Now divided by minus 8, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 20 minus 24 multiplied by minus 6 equals to 144. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and solve the division. So now we have this division. So we will write minus 2 plus and 144 divided by 8. So 144 divided by 8. So here we have plus minus and 144 divided by 8, which is equals to 18. And here we have to give the reference 144 divided by minus 180. Now we have two terms which are which has same sign. So and these two terms are add each other but with the minus sign. So because we have the minus sign with the larger numbers, so we will add these two terms and we get the answer is minus 20. So the answer of the given expression is minus 20. If you see the answer layer, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm dot and word mark method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Meet in the class. Bye bye. Allah. Hafiz.